Hey Writers, Mrs. Heupel with a quick review on how to divide fractions. Dividing fractions isn't a whole lot different than multiplying fractions. We just have one extra step. So let's remember the 3 steps. I lost my train of thought there. But when you are dividing fractions, I want you to remember keep, change, flip. Now, when you get into 8th grade and you're big kids, you cannot say keep, change, flip. You have to say reciprocal because that's the reciprocal of the fraction. But just between you and me, we're kind of flipping the fraction. So just keep that in mind for next year. So keep. I keep my first fraction. I don't change it. So keep, change. We don't ever divide fractions. We don't like division. So I'm going to change it to multiplication. So keep, change. And then I flip this fraction, or I write down the reciprocal of this fraction. Keep, change, flip. Now, you already know how to multiply. We multiply the numerators, we multiply the denominators, and then we reduce or simplify. So 3 times 2 is 6. 10 times 1 is 10. Okay? Now, I need to reduce or simplify. So let's talk about how to reduce or simplify. Sometimes you're going to have numbers that are more difficult than 6/10. This one is pretty easy, but I'm always going to start with a sure thing, somewhat of a sure thing. I'm always going to see if 2 goes into these 2 numbers that I'm trying to, or 2 of this fraction that I'm trying to reduce. Here's the reason. 2 goes into half of the numbers that exist. So it also divides my numbers in half. So they're a little easy to work with. So first I'm going to see, does 2 go into 6? Does 2 go into 10? The answer is yes, it does, because they're both even numbers. So remember, whatever I do to the top, I have to do to the bottom. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Those are both prime numbers. 3 does not go into 5. 5 does not go into 3. We're done. That's it. Good luck with division, guys.